I can feel your energy when you're looking back at me. Through the crowd I see your eyes, they're like stars beneath the sky. Can we call upon our friends and dance until the end? Can we stay right here forever? 'Cause we're finally all together. Supposed to feel hopeless when you're surrounded. For me, it stops the hypnosis. My feet are finally grounded with you. You're supposed to feel hopeless when you're surrounded. For me, it stops the hypnosis. My feet are finally grounded with you.
So you guessed it, the Adams Polishes 2018 Black Friday / Christmas release has officially dropped as of the time of this video. If you're watching this video, instead of going over to adamspolishes.com to purchase your very limited edition hoodie, I hate it for you. I would pause the video, go grab one, and then come back and see what else we are looking at in the Black Friday drop, because the hoodie and the hat are great, but there's more. There's always more. So as you guys can probably tell from the long shots there, we have the Black Friday edition Tire Shine Ultra Foam Shampoo, Detail Spray, and Interior Detailer. Now, obviously the detail spray goes hand in hand with Christmas, so this one is cinnamon flavored, but I'm interested to see, I'd call that one a peppermint. I would call this one, ooh, it's almost like white chocolate. It's hard to tell, but the new design looks great. The new bottle design is absolutely amazing. The design team did great with that. But what I also want to talk about, since we already looked at these almost for the duration of the video, is the new H2O Garden Gloss that's out, the new spray wax, and also the tire armor. Now I'm going to put the tire armor aside for a minute because it has an entire segment dedicated to it coming after this, but new spray wax and the new H2O Garden Gloss with hybrid technology. Some of you were fortunate enough to receive these in your mystery buckets. They're now officially available to the public. Spray wax obviously gives you a temporary wax coating, either in a spot or across your entire vehicle. Super easy to apply. Simply spray on a panel, wipe it with a double soft towel, flip it over and buff it off to a shine. The H2O Garden Gloss works similarly as a drying aid to the former technology. I believe that you may be able to use this one with your vehicles not wet as well. I believe, don't quote me on that, but same thing. Provides an amazing coating using an SiO2 technology, which leaves your water beating off for many, many weeks to come.
Stars beneath the sky. Can we call upon our friends and dance until the end? Can we
Was that intro a little bit dramatic? Yes. Do I care? No. Am I going to tell you everything you need to know today about the soon released Adams Polishes tire armor? Yes, because I love this product. Now, the reason I bashed all those other detail sprays and the tire coatings out of the way is because this is truly the last tire chemical that I will be using, because it creates a non-silicone acrylic layer on your tires. It's basically like ceramic coating for your tires. Now, it's not ceramic coating. I don't want you to get confused at all. Ceramic coating is for your paint. I have ceramic coating or glass sealant on my glass, and this is basically what the layman's term would be a ceramic coating for your tire. Now, your typical tire shine, like I just bashed out of the way from those other companies, will give you a silicone-based or water-based shine that'll last for a couple of days, 2 or 3 days, you guys know, and it'll also sling up
the side of your paintwork as soon as you drive, no matter how long you wait for it to cure. Now, one of the other things, if you don't use the right brand of tire shine or tire coating, then it will actually deteriorate your tires faster. And when you got an $1,800 set of tires on your ride, I know that you guys don't want that to deteriorate any faster than you have to. So one of my favorite things about the Adams tire armor is it actually creates like a customizable shine. So if you want more of a matte look, you can just put one coat around, use an applicator brush to apply it evenly, and you have more of a matte look. If you want a high shine, you can apply more coats, more coats, more coats. And like I said, I put this product, I was lucky enough to test this product a little bit before it came out, and about 3 weeks, 600 miles of driving, and the footage that you saw, the slow-mo pictures that you saw, is still how it's legitimately reacting to water even after 3 weeks. It just beads right off as though it doesn't exist. Now, that multi-layer system I was just telling you about is actually a patented technology by Adams that they call coat, which is the customized optional acrylic technology, meaning the more layers you add, the shinier your tire will be. If you're a truck guy who wants this protection of the tire armor on your tires, but you don't want a super high gloss look, you want more of a rugged look like me, you just put one coat, maybe two. But like I said, when I got this first, I only had enough to put one coat on each tire, and it's legitimately almost a month, 3 weeks to a month later, still exhibiting the hydrophobic properties that a ceramic coating would. You just saw it for yourself. I'm not good at Photoshop, I'm sorry. So a couple of things that I love about this is it lasts. Even though it comes in a smaller bottle than usual, this would probably last me at least 6 months. So you'll be able to save a little bit of money. The big factors for me is it does not sling like a traditional tire shine. It actually goes to work to help prolong the life of your sidewall, especially if you're in a hot environment like me. You guys know that I've had problems with tires before in the hot environment, not lasting very long at all. So anything that I can do to prolong the life of a tire is obviously advantageous to me, and it's super easy to apply. One of the last things I love is that it does help repel dust. Kyle at Adams is one of the guys I talk to quite frequently, and he just loves when I tell him, hey Kyle, I need a product that's gonna help repel dust from my paintwork. It apparently isn't doable unless you have the tire armor, because as you're gonna see from this close-up, you can actually see where the tire armor has been applied, and when obviously there is more dirt on the lugs of the tire, because that's where I did not apply it. I work in a dusty environment, a dusty parking lot when I'm switching out of my personal truck into my work truck, and I hate dust. So anything that I can do to help repel dust, not have dust or dirt or anything stick to the tires or any part of the vehicle, the better. And the tire armor legitimately does it. Finish off the video, the freshly ceramic coated truck is almost done with being taken care of for the day. The last thing I'm going to show you out of the Black Friday release is the final effect of the tire armor. So for this, all you're going to need is obviously the bottle of tire armor and the block, applicator block. You can see where I used it last time. I'm going to use the clean side, but real simple. Like I said, I like a matte look, so I'm going to do one, maybe two coats. But this one was coated, like I said, about 3 to 4 weeks ago. I don't remember exactly, but as you can see, it's still repelling the water very well. So real simple, we're just gonna take the tire armor, flip the bottle to open. We're gonna spray it directly onto the applicator here and just put a nice coat. This time, like you guys saw a little bit in the water beading shots, I didn't really get it up into the lugs because I had a really limited amount last time. But this time, since we've got a full bottle now, I'm gonna really take care to get up there in the lugs and make sure that the tire is coated really nicely and evenly. I'm gonna let this one dry naturally since we're applying it with the applicator block. It's not gonna sling like a tire shine would. So let's just finish this off and we'll see you guys at the end.
Guys, that is gonna wrap up my overview of the Adams Polishes 2018 Black Friday / holiday release. All the new products, ceramic coating the truck, the amazing new logo hoodie. I highly recommend that you go get one. A huge thank you to Adams Polishes for blessing me with this new product, giving me the opportunity to test and share with you guys the newest, greatest innovations in American detailing. And honestly, if you followed me for any amount of time, or if you're just watching this video to find out what's new at Adams, I only deal with the best products. That's why I built my truck the way I built it, using only the very best accessories and aftermarket suspension, etc., etc. And the same goes to detailing. Like I said, I just ceramic coated the truck. Pretty much everything is coated now, and I'm going to be bringing you guys more and more detailing products as they're developed to help you and show you how to properly coat your pride of joy, no matter what it is. Thanks again for watching. Head over to adamspolishes.com to grab one of these hoodies and the other limited edition stuff that won't be there for long, I promise you. And if you like this video, put a like on it, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if and what of the new holiday release you're gonna pick up. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next video.
Ryan Little. Yoga.